Hello, leaders, and welcome to Digital Mandate, brought to you by Tech Disruptor Media, an initiative of Bharat Network Group, a platform where we spotlight visionary leaders who are shaping the future of innovation and technology. And today we are joined by Mr. Abhijit Chakravarty, Executive Vice President of Kotak Mahindra Bank. How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much. It's a pleasure being here.
I'm your host, Aishwarya Saxena, and today we are going to talk about some technological issues that are driving the industries nowadays. So, my first question to you is what technologies are currently driving the innovation in today's Indian market?
I think the first on the list would be AI because I think without AI today, an organization could be crippled. So, AI is something, the way that I look at AI is it is a speed, accuracy, analytics, and at scale, all combined into one. So AI for sure. Second piece, I coming from a financial institution, where there are very stringent regulations and compliances. I think the compliance and adherence to regulations are important. So from a financial institution perspective, how do I comply to all the regulations and hence build trust with the customers, right? Third is, kind of adopting technologies which help you deliver something which I call it as the SST, stands for speed, trust and simplicity. So you've got to be simple, you've got to have speed, and you've got to have trust. So any technology that you spend on has to deliver these three profiles. Thanks.
So, what steps are you taking to strengthen data protection and privacy after India's DPDP Act?
Now, the DPDP Act has come in and still to kind of kick in now, but from a banking industry or from a financial industry perspective, customer data, protection of customer data, who has access to customer data, what can be done with the customer data had always been there with the banks for a very long time now, right? But the DPDP brings in a very important aspect, which is consent management, which is, as a customer, if someone is collecting your data, you should provide your consent before your data can be collected. The second piece of it is that customer data, when it is stored, what is the efficiency with which you protect that data, with which you ensure that there is no malicious access to that data, no one can misuse that data. That's very important. The third piece of it is, how do you destroy that data when its objective is met, or you no longer require that data. Say, for example, car insurance, right? So everyone renews their car insurance every year, and mostly in my observation, you do not renew it with the same service provider. So I have a car insurance. So for buying a car insurance, I need to share my personal data, shared. Next time when it comes for renewal, I mostly will go ahead and with someone else. What happens to the data with the first provider? How does it destroy it? How can he guarantee that this data is not stored? I think those are the challenges in the DPDP Act.
So, what role does data analytics play in your decision-making process?
See, data analytics is today the crux basis which the organization takes a call what is to be done next. So in all phases of operations, now whether it is launching new products, whether it is improving customer experience, whether it is finding out if my existing product is doing well, where is it doing well and where is it not doing well and why, right? Now, data analytics to me, very simply put, brings in a lot of visibility. Intelligent and actionable visibility. You use these data points to then take it ahead and make informed decisions. Yeah, because a product that is doing well, there could be a product that an organization has launched. It could be doing well in certain parts of the country, but it may not be doing well in the other parts of the country. Now, do you know why? It is possibly not doing well in certain part of the country because the requirement of the audience there is a bit different from where it is doing well, right? Do you know why? What is that requirement? That's analytics. That's power of analytics. It gives you visibility. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights on this. Stay tuned for more episodes.
Thank you.